Today I'm trying another experiment, honey nut crunch. Well, actually it's just nuts in a cup. And my main purpose is to see if the crows will come to the tree that I'm going to take it to and see if they will open this up. Alright, signing off for now. I'll let you know if I see anything and as it goes. I'm getting ready to approach. As you see, the crows are coming. I don't know if you saw it or not, but I just saw the crow just fly over to the pond. So that's a good sign. They are already there. Alright, I'm going to sign off for now. Today we got visiting geese. And all the little duckies are coming to say hi. Alright. Coming live from West Newton Duck Pond. They didn't get to see me yet. Good morning, crows. Good morning, ducks. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, cardinals. Good morning, ducks. Good morning, every bird. Yes. You're all so wonderful. I love you. Yes, I love all of you. Yes, we're all going to go walking now. Come on, let's go walk. Let's go see the crows up ahead. Let's go see the birdies. Come on, let's go see the babies. Good babies. All right, we got birds to feed.